Believe. Believe in your power. Believe in your dreams. Believe in your ability to change your reality. Your belief will be tested. Hold faith to manifest your desires. Type yes if you believe. 222. Good news is coming your way. It will be a sign for you that despite everything that's happened recently, you are now on the right path. Type 222 if you agree. God says, stay patient, my timing is perfect. I have something bigger planned for you, and trust me, you are going to love it. Type yes to affirm it and also subscribe the channel. Thank you.